What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I got around to installing the catch can. Bought this guy last year when I was trying to figure out a catch can for the Z. I ended up picking up two of them because I really like the design. What's nice about it, it's got that big stainless steel filter on it, which is cleanable, and it's got a knurled drain port. So how I mounted it is those ears have 3/8 holes in them. I ended up picking up some 3/8 inner diameter spacers from Home Depot, the bolt section. One's 1/2 inch, one's 3/4 inch, stacked on top of each other, and then secured with stainless steel 3/8 socket head bolt. So what I ended up doing is I drilled the holes into the frame rail and used these rivet nuts. Now, if you plan on doing the same thing and you use 3/8 rivet nuts, I don't recommend getting stainless steel. The reason why is because stainless steel is very, very tough, and if you don't have the right tool to get this thing to compress, you're gonna have a hell of a time trying to get this to compress. You see what happens is this thing's it's threaded on here, and then it's got like this wall here which isn't threaded. This is what collapses when you tighten it, and it makes a washer on the other side. Basically this crunches down where you see the lines, and it makes a washer on the other side, and as you tighten it, it basically, this thing, it prevents it from moving around when you have it in the hole. 1 second, I got an airplane coming over. Alright, 1 second. Any day now. Okay, so if you do use the stainless steel ones, I highly recommend using this and then just heating the area where it's supposed to compress, and then once you have it in, you have a nice little mounting spot for the any bolts you might want to mount to it. But yeah, all I need to do is just run a hose to the PCV. I'm most likely going to get a different fitting. I got a 90 on there right now. I'm most likely going to get something with a wider angle, and then I'm just going to shoot the hose right through the belt area here to the PCV. So that's that. Got the catch can on, and next thing up is the oil cooler. Stay tuned for that. Take care, guys.